Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me and they have a 10-inch square box, but they want lines through the corners exactly in the corner. And they want the lines to extend 5 inches past the box. Well, this is really easy. You just got to kind of think about it in different ways. Let's just start over. Holding down the control button to draw a perfect rectangle. And then we're going to make it 10 inches. And my ratio is locked. I'm going to put it in the center of the page, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. That gives me 2 angles. I can go either way. Take a line and go from that node to that node. Now set your nudge factor on 5 inches. Get your shape tool, select your box or your line, select just that node and move your arrow key to the right. Select that one, move your arrow key to the left. Select it all and put it back to 0. And then all you have to do to get that one the other direction is make a duplicate of it and mirror it the other way. That way, I don't know what he's using this for. I don't know if he's making a jig and he wants to cut out or something, but that's how I would do it. Hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.